coming, it's rolling round a bend. And I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm locked in Folsom prison, time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps a rolling down to San Antone. I bet this rich folks sitting in a fancy dining car, they're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. I know I had it coming, I know I can't be free. But those people keep a coming, that's what tortures me. Well, they freed me from this prison, and that railroad train was mine. I know I'd move it farther, farther down the line, away from Folsom prison. That's where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. I hear that train a-comin', it's rolling around a bend. And I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm locked in Folsom prison, that's where I want to stay. But that train keeps a-rolling down to San